So today I'm testing out this Greenworks brushless blower. It's the dual 24 volt pack. So you'll have two 24 volt batteries. They're 4 amp hours and each one is 86 watt hours. So that's 172 watt hours of power when you have them combined. The blower will only operate with both batteries, and it's ideal to have them fully charged because your blower is only going to be as good or run as long as the weakest battery. So 2 fully charged batteries when you're starting out, and you'll get the maximum potential out of the blower. One more thing about the batteries is you do have a USB port on them right here, so it could be a massive USB power pack, and it does give you the battery health of how much charge it has with 3 bars here. Kind of hard to see in the sunlight here, but yeah, they're fully charged. A couple of the features on here are the has the cruise control type knob here. You see as you push it down, the throttle right here will engage, so you can do cruise control all the way from very low throttle to max throttle. It does not, of course, do the turbo. The turbo is a momentary button here, which gives you a very high speed burst of air. The air comes through the back here. You can see the fan down the middle in there. It's just the center of the pipe, and it just blows a tornado force wind through this whole pipe here. So this blower blows at 140 miles per hour, and it blows 585 cubic feet per minute. Those are its maximum ratings. Here's how it kind of looks with the batteries on. You could still check your how much battery power you have left while they're installed, and now we're ready to go. The throttle is variable, so you go very slow to very high, and this is how your cruise control kind of works. And your turbo, it only engages when you pull the throttle. So that's some of the features it has there. So we're going to be testing this blower out with 1 yard of mulch. See how well we could blow that off the driveway. It may be way too much, but gotta test its limits. Okay, I got it sprayed out pretty well. We're going to give this a try with the blower. So I was going to start out with using the cruise control at max and just see how well it goes. I was going to avoid the turbo for now. Okay, let's get started. We blew all 1 yard of that mulch off to the side. That did pretty well. Shows 1 bar. It's not blinking bar, but we go give some, go try some more blowing and see how it does. Alright, we're going to do round 2 with a little bit left it has in it for the battery. I know it won't do it all, but we'll get some of it. That's all she got. That was well at a 1.5 yards of mulch here. So at the second batch here, we definitely cleared out more than half of the load. There's probably only a third left up here, this last bit. It did a lot more than I expected. So I was quite impressed with the performance of this blower from Greenworks. Here I was going to show you the charger. It comes with a dual charger here, and it'll charge both batteries in about 90 minutes. And pretty much just slide them on. The charger does have a fan. So there's some neat advantages having this dual 24-volt setup. And that is you can use their smaller power tools in line with these batteries. And here's an impact, here's a drill. But yeah, you can just use it on the big blower, or plug right into their hand drill for their impact. So it definitely opens up the family of tools that you could use, from the big power hungry ones, string trimmers, the hedgers, the dual 24-volt mower that takes these batteries. So a whole family of tools. So that's nice compared to the other style where you have one great big, well, such like they do have pro models where they have one great big battery, which wouldn't work so good on a drill. But for around the house, this is a pretty awesome setup. I really like it. Here's their hedger, which also takes the 24 volts, which is a really nice hedger too. I'll probably do a little review on that. But yeah, a whole family of tools that use these 24-volt batteries. Ingenious idea. That's the Greenworks brushless 48-volt using dual 24-volt. So one last thing when you're considering like electric blower over the gas, one of the best things I like about battery powered blowers is if you ever need to just run out and blow off the patio or sidewalk because it's just covered with leaves or what have you. You go out there and spend a few minutes blowing the patio or sidewalk off and go back in and you go about your business. You don't smell like gas, you don't have to deal with any gas. So yeah, big advantage.